Is it time to buy or sell Siyata Mobile stock? In this video, we will explore Siyata Mobile in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and comprehensive analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 16th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Siyata Mobile as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 76.19% since we first recommended buying Siyata Mobile 2 days ago. This results in an average return of 38.10% per day since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to predict the stock's next direction, as it could move in either direction. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 31.18% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -87.1% to -31.18%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -100%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate from -100% to -100.01% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and -$0.0004. Our latest daily update for Siyata Mobile includes the headline: High volatility in Siyata Mobile Inc. stock price on Monday, which ended trading at $4.07. The Siyata Mobile Inc. stock price surged by 76.19% on the last trading day, moving from $2.31 to $4.07. It has gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see if it continues to rise or if it takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 63.74%, ranging from a low of $2.57 to a high of $4.20. The price has declined in 5 of the last 10 days, but remains up by 283.96% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 30 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 71 million shares were exchanged for approximately $288,920,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $885.58, and the lowest price was 93 cents. Currently, the price is 99.54%, or $881.51, below the 52-week high, and 100%, or $1,983,900.58, below the all-time high recorded on the 16th of February, 2021, when the price peaked at $1,983,904.65. Siyata Mobile, trading under the symbol SYTA, is making headlines with its anticipated merger valued at $160 million with Core Gaming, a leader in artificial intelligence-driven mobile gaming technology. Recent developments highlight the launch of Core Gaming's AI comic app, which has rapidly attracted nearly 300,000 users since its release. This surge in popularity indicates strong market demand and positions Core Gaming as a significant contender in the gaming sector. The merger is expected to close in the second quarter of 2025, and as a publicly traded entity post-merger, Core Gaming aspires for a NASDAQ listing. This strategic move could bolster investor confidence and stimulate increased trading activity in the short term, especially as the gaming industry demonstrates explosive growth potential, valued at approximately $126 billion. Additionally, the favorable reception of Core Gaming's AI comic app, combined with the planned special dividend mentioned by the company's CEO, heightens investor interest. Such announcements are crucial as they signal robust business prospects and the potential for significant returns on investment. In summary, these developments position SYTA favorably in the market. In the short term, we may witness increased volatility linked to the merger's progress and Core Gaming's performance. Conversely, in the long run, if Core Gaming's innovative products effectively capture market share, it could result in a substantial rise in SYTA's stock value as the merger unfolds into growth opportunities within the gaming sector. Analysts have assigned Siyata Mobile stock a general strong sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while rating the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Siyata Mobile. SYTA Mobile Inc. stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, signaling a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is expected at levels $1.86 and $1.53. A drop below either of these levels could trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, May 8, 2025, and to date, the stock has increased by 315.48%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The trading volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal, pivots, buy signal from 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Siyata Mobile. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $3.50 and $3.34. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline to the next support point. In this instance, Siyata Mobile Incorporated has support just below today's level at $3.50. If this support is broken, the next levels of support from accumulated volume will be at $3.34 and $3.23. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $1.64 between its high and low, representing a change of 63.74%. For the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been 49.66%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Siyata Mobile, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 13th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative $3.48. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Siyata Mobile. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Siyata Mobile is at $4.17. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Siyata Mobile encounters its first support level at $3.50. If this support level holds, it might serve as an opportune entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.93, reflecting a decrease of 3.34%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. The 14-day relative strength index is at 83, further elevating the risk factor. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 7 days ago. Is Siyata Mobile stock a good buy? Siyata Mobile Inc. presents several positive signals. However, these indicators do not seem sufficient to recommend it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is advisable to view it as a hold candidate, meaning it may be wise to hold or accumulate in this position while waiting for further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 20th of May, we anticipate that Siyata Mobile will open lower by approximately 458 of a dollar, starting trading at $3.61. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.